Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This is your Friday, I think it's Friday today, market update. Everything that we did yesterday, all of the video that we shot yesterday is paying off in droves today. I'm quickly closing in on a 100% return in 4.5 months by using the spreadsheet and trading options based upon the data sets in the spreadsheet. So as we blow this out, we're up 20.5% today in 8 minutes. The account is now a 3 handle, so that's celebration for today. I can go into the weekend with a little bit of a celebration going on. I've got some real estate transactions as well too. I've got a new listing. And have a Toronto client that has decided to put their place up on the market to see if they can sell it. And we're just taking it one step at a time. So there's a lot of celebrating going on today. The account, as you can see there, is up $5,200 for the day, 20%. That's a nice return in 9 minutes now. But where we positioned ourselves was definitely long oil going into the election cycle. And as it turns out, that turned out to be a very, very good spot to be. So Chevron was up today $4 a share at the open. And I have 300 shares of Chevron. So that should be up $1,200 combined the two, but that's not. It's only up 500. So there's something holding these option prices back. They haven't discovered it yet. But mispriced opportunities in the options market are always repriced to where they need to be. So there is more gain to be had for today. I could be closing in on that 100% return today, which would give me even more return by the time I get to the end of the year. EOG Resources was up $11. They released their earnings last night. I didn't know it was earnings seasons for them. I wasn't paying attention to that. I just knew that I needed EOG. That was the biggest thing that I knew at the end of the day. And that at 11.55, again, the option is only up 7. The way out of the money option is only up 7. That has further to run. So that's out in December. These are out in December options. So I've got plenty of time for more run to happen. If the data set turns negative, I can go ahead and sell rapidly as well too to be able to capture these returns, because maybe these are the returns. But I believe I've got a 100% portfolio here now, as I've gotten better and better and better at this. ExxonMobil was up $2 today, so I've got 500 shares of them. You would expect that to be up 1,000, and it was up 6. So far, it's up 622. More to run. Gilead, Gilead's up 31 cents. Yet the option is mispriced down. That's the December option, mispriced down $171. There's something going on with Gilead. That will change throughout the day as well too. Honeywell, where am I at here? Honeywell was up $1.44 today. That December option is only up 81 cents because it's out into the future a ways, $1.63. Oxy, I kept my 5 shares of Oxy yesterday. I was thinking about selling them, but because they didn't get sold going into the volume drop off at the end of the day yesterday, I did keep my Oxy. Went in and canceled the order when I knew that Oxy was going to be up. Oxy is up $3.40 today, and I have 500 shares, so that should be 1,500. It's actually 1,300. Then Palo Alto Networks, I added them yesterday because I felt that Palo Alto Networks their profits are going to be really good on the 17th. I wanted to have some kind of internet security type of company, and they are the winner. I couldn't believe that they were down to $150 a share. So I bought the $150 December call options. I've got plenty of time in them, and that is down today. It's by one holding so far down. PAL, I had changed around the option here to the 60s. Got rid of the 65 January and moved it to the 60 18th. That is up $3.50 today. That trade is up $1.70, so $170. A little bit more that needs to go into there as well too. A mispriced opportunity in the options market. Funny how that happens. Raytheon up $1 today. Got 400, so I should be up 400. I'm only up 230. So you can see how there is more run from a valuation perspective on all of this. But what's happened now is the market has turned south on us. So when we notice in the morning that there's mispriced opportunities and they're not getting hit, that tells you that there's selling going on. So that's what we know. And then unfortunately, I'm still caught up in this Yang thing. I'm still caught up in how bad everything is in China. It is terrible over there. Yet for some reason, every night there's new data or new news articles that the communists put out about everything's great over here, everything's great over here, everything's great over here. And then that brings the Yang down, and the Yang is down 268. I keep trying to get this short China trade right. XLE Energy Index, again, it's up $1.73. It should be up, so that should be up about 70 cents. By 3 should be up 210. It's up 269. That's okay. I'm learning that the individual stocks are moving far better than the indexes, which is interesting right now because money is what's happening then. What that tells me is that money is moving from tech and it's rotating over into long oil. Finally, people are starting to recognize that yes, tech is a train wreck, that their earnings are dropping fast, and that the earnings of oil companies far supersede everything, and they're moving their money out of tech into oil. And so that's where we're kind of at for today. Thanks for tuning in. Everything seems to be working pretty darn well. Yes, I should have been in there at the open selling if I was a trader, but I'm not a trader. Yes, the account has come down from 20% to up 11% today, but that's still 11% gain today. Could I be wiped out entirely and be a negative today? Only if oil turns around, only if industrials turn around and start crashing. And as you know, once that happens, then the market has a long way down and we could retest down to the lows. So if this account changes anything tremendously, as it's going, 2,700 right now, but if it changes and this $2,700 gain goes away, then I know market lower, because the sectors that I'm in would not be selling off. So these are the sectors that are winning. I'll run the spreadsheet, of course, at around noon. I've got some other stuff I got to get done right away this morning. It starts with breakfast. So go have breakfast, enjoy your day. Everything is good here on this side of the equation. Yes, it was nice to see that $5,000 pop. We're now leveling out at 28,000 into the account. That's good. Still up $2,700 for the day. I'll take that. And we're moving on our way to 100% gain in 6 months. That's what the goal is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.